Okay, good man. I'm still trying to find all of the assets for our man Dennis. Well, it's working great. I've already found 5 assets thanks to you, Matt.
Perfect.
What are you doing?
Well, I wanted to see if we want to demo navigation.
Jason, everybody has seen me do that for like 9 Cisco Lives. I don't know if people want to see that again.
Well, there's more to it this time around. Well, I think you're going to like this.
What is it?
Worked with MGM Resorts, and digitized over 43 million square feet of their properties across the Las Vegas Strip.
So you're telling me the entire hotel and the entire strip that's searchable on our navigation right now?
It is now a smart venue.
So 43 million square feet?
That's correct.
Million with an N?
With an N.
Dude, how did we do this?
Now, all of Mandalay Bay is open on the Cisco Events app to search, find, and navigate your way through the convention center as well as the Mandalay Bay casino area.
So if I want to find a restaurant for us to have dinner, I can do it on the Cisco Events app or by scanning the QR code and opening an app for it.
Exactly. Yes.
You worked on this project, right? But I didn't see you travel a lot. So how did you make all of this happen from San Francisco?
So I worked with the IT team on building out the Smart Spaces stack to all their properties across Las Vegas, connecting their wireless controllers, building up their spaces maps, getting everything from the foundational level in place.
What you're just saying needs partnership. You need line-up business teams. You need IT teams. How did we bring all of this together?
G2 Patel, the chief product officer for Cisco, met with Phil Lang, who is the vice president of infrastructure at MGM Resorts. They met last year at Cisco Live, talking about how Cisco Spaces is great.
Oh, G2 made it happen. Go G2.
They made it happen. They said by this time next year, which is now, they wanted it to be deployed and ready to be experienced by all the guests.
And when there was exec alignment, IT teams and line of business teams came together, I'm assuming.
So yes, they all came together. We started prioritizing the tasks that need to happen and planning it out and executing on that plan to make sure that we got the infrastructure in place. We got the AP locations built out and Catalyst Center, brought them into Spaces, built out the CAD files into the digital maps, all done in Spaces. Once those foundational elements were there, the easy parts were turning on the wayfinding piece.
Brilliant stuff. I'm getting hungry, so I want you to show me how this works, and maybe we can show our audience too. Because I don't know if you know this, this is such an important moment. 2 years back, when we first came to Mandalay Bay, wanting to test navigation or even do navigation, it was frustrating because we were able to navigate within Cisco Live, but you go to Four Seasons for a media brief, you don't know how to get back here on time for the next meeting. What you just told me is probably the greatest gift that hotels, resorts, large venues can provide their guests, because these large buildings need navigation, especially if you're navigationally challenged like me.
So everything you need to find where you need to be, when you need to be there in the palm of your hand. And let's check it out. The Cisco Events app. We can go to the menu here and select Maps.
There you go. And this map is now powered by Spaces?
Powered by Spaces.
So the same maps that we see here, which as you can see are being used by a lot of people. And you can actually start navigating right here. Now, we don't need to do that if you have the Cisco Events app already downloaded on your phone.
Correct. You have 2 options to be able to get this experience. One is through the kiosk. Like it's directions, presents us the QR code there, and you scan it with your phone. Then you can take those directions with you as you go.
And I also hear that we have integrated open roaming with the app. So almost 95% of all event attendees are automatically onboarded to Wi Fi if they have the app because of our SDK.
Exactly.
This is brilliant. So let's assume that we are ready. We have the app. Take me to a restaurant of choice.
All right. What
I'll buy dinner.
Steak?
Yeah, man.
I think strip steak would be a good choice.
That's
here.
a good place. I like strip steak.
We'll do a quick search.
There you go.
Thumbs up right here.
Yeah.
Select it. Then click the directions there.
Hold on. This is exactly like Google Maps now. So you're showing me a shortest path and an accessible path. That's brilliant. Okay, so let's choose a shorter spot.
Let's go. All you click start once it points it out. Gives you the path here.
This is awesome. So it will now take me 7 minutes on a navigation. Hopefully we don't have to look at the phone all the time because, it also has the assistance. So it's a glance once at a time as we talk and walk.
Exactly. And if we get off track, it'll course correct us based on where we're at.
There you go. Let's start walking, my friend.
Yes, sir.
43 million square feet of MGM properties digitized in less than 2 months is a record in itself. Were you camping out here for 2 months, or how did you make all of this happen?
No, not at all. I was doing it from our Cisco office in San Francisco, working remotely with the IT team here at MGM Resorts. It was pretty seamless, frictionless experience to get everything up and running. We have prescription run books to follow through for the deployment. This location took probably about a month, and that includes a week or so of some of the processing things that happen while you're creating those AI maps.
Sure.
So a lot of it wasn't really human time that was consumed with that.
Got it. And of all the things that you've seen, because you've been testing this, you've deployed it across multiple hotels. What do you see people doing the most? Is it to get to a theater? Is it to get to the casino? Where do you see the action?
It's anywhere. So at the convention here for Cisco Live, the booths are never the same as they were the previous year. So no one knows where anything is at. So knowing where the sessions are, knowing where the booths are, especially when you have meeting after meeting, is imperative to be prompt to those meetings. And find your way through here using the navigation in the app is probably the most used tool across Cisco Live.
It's funny you're saying that. I was looking at the analytics from Cisco Live Amsterdam. I think we had 1 million searches and 200,000 navigations completed across 4 days, which is unbelievable and unheard of.
Yeah, those numbers are just mind-boggling.
Wow. I think we are getting to the end of where the Cisco event is, and now we're probably walking into Mandalay Bay.
That's right. So what that means is we're transitioning from one map, which is the convention center, to another map, which is the casino area.
Seamlessly. It's all powered by the same wireless infrastructure.
Everything is seamless. The location service for your location on the navigation doesn't skip a beat. The experience that the user has is as if it's all one.
So what is also interesting is we spoke about asset tracking earlier and indoor navigation now. They're part of the same software bundle which comes with Wi-Fi 7 access points. If the customer gets the right access points to 91, 76, and 78, validates the design for our TLS use cases, and sets up spaces the way you said. You don't have to travel. You can do it all digitally. They can find any assets across 43 million square feet, or find people, find meeting rooms, and navigate to it based on what they want to do.
Exactly.
Brilliant. Getting hungry, man. Let's go see where the restaurant is.
This way right here.
Thank you. There we are.
And now navigation is no longer a gamble to get you across the venue.
Navigation, not a gamble. Good stuff. Let me buy you some steak.
Let's do it.